In this video, we are going to take a look at a new feature that we've added to Lizzie to help with reconciling payments that are made through Amazon, PayPal, and some of the other payment centers. So what we have done is if we go over here to settings and then we go to general payment methods, the first step in setting this up is to use this new extra option here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and actually select PayPal just to give you an example. So you'll notice that we have selected this option to use file for payment reconciliation. And so once we do that, we need to actually open the file. There's two pieces of information in the file that we need to know. Now, we support TXT, XLS, and the CSV formats. Most of the vendors are going to support one of those three formats. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the file, and I've got an example here that I've actually got open already. And what we need to do is we need to locate the field that has the information in it. The first field that we need to know is the amount of the transaction. The second field is going to be the actual order number. We need both of those fields to be able to make this work. So what we're going to do, this is a CSV file, and so what we're going to do is we're going to count from here over to the field that we want. So this is field 1 and 2, and you'll notice they're inside of quotes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our amount field. So field 8 is our amount. And then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is our order number. Once we get that information, and if we have an Excel file or a TXT file, you'll have to open the file and see which field contains those two pieces of information. We're then going to come back over here to our two fields here, and we're going to put in, this is enter the column number of the ID in the field. This is the order ID, and so we're going to put that as 13, and then enter the column number of the amount is 8, and then we're telling it that this is going to be a CSV file. So each of these other file types are the same. I'm not going to be going through each type of file in this video, but they're all, what you've got to do is you've got to figure out which field these two pieces of data are located in. At that point, you're going to save this, and that activates the process to be able to start using this new control. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go use it. So we're going to go to accounting, we're going to go to the cash drawer, view deposits. I'm going to come down here to PayPal, which is the one that I've activated for this particular file. And you'll notice now that we have a new option here to choose a file. So I'm going to select choose a file. I'm going to select my file. And then you're going to notice that the screen is going to reload. It has already selected the total for me. It has selected everything down here in the bottom that it can find, and any missing or items that have the wrong amounts on them are listed up here at the top so that you can actually go and research them to try to figure out what is missing and why they're off. So it's a really quick process to import the file, have Lizzie check off everything for you, and then provide the missing data so that you can do your research quicker.